Come on, come on! Slowly! A bit to the right.
Oh, I hope we get them.
Ugh, man.
Bad luck!
Aha!
Let me try this time. Here we go! I got this! I have a feeling. Yes! What did I tell you? They are ours! Ha ha!
And we won a surprise trip too?
Guess we did!
I'm so ready for a vacation.
We gotta get ready and pack our bags.
My suitcase is here. It's bright yellow. I'll never miss it at the airport.
And mine is here.
Yay!
Let's do this. I'm gonna pack my clothes first. I'll take this one too. Aha! Oh, definitely this too. This one looks great on me.
Whoa! We have a mountain of clothes.
Well, I'm taking all of them with me, and you can't change my mind. Phew! I got it.
I think not. Take cover! Whoa. I saw that coming though. Look at you! Now watch and learn how it's done. This folding hack will save you a lot of space. See? I can fit all the clothes I want to take with me thanks to this method. I have an outfit for every occasion. Maybe you should try it too.
Try what? Whoa, neat! I'm impressed. And you're using your luggage like a little wardrobe. But I'm gonna do something else. Vacuum bag to the rescue! Watch this! It'll be paper thin in no time. And it has its own tiny machine. Okay, maybe not paper thin, but still, it's a huge difference. Quick and easy. 1, 2, and 3. Done. Clothes, check.
Wow! Whatever works, man!
Now I will pack my pool time stuff. Careful with the utility knife. Right from the middle. Talk about being precise. Let's close the lid. And it goes into the suitcase. This towel too. And my shower towel as well. That will keep them clean. Anyway, now time for the toiletries. Self-care is very important to me, you know. So, I'll be taking all of these with me. Ah! Oh no! Not my expensive shampoo!
Ah!
Whoa!
Somebody help!
Uh-oh, I didn't see that coming.
Oopsie daisy! That's why I have travel-size packages! And the best part is, these are spill-proof. Little tags to identify what is what. My night cream goes in here. It's filled with all the ingredients that are good for your face. I bet you can never guess what this is. My lip balm. I love that it's filled with tiny glitter particles. And now, everything goes into my skincare bag.
Do you think this'll do the trick?
Try it!
Okay, I have short hair, so let's hope this much will be enough. It's a sample size! Haha! So cute! I don't have a skincare bag, but I have my hat, and that should be enough. So, what's next?
Accessories make the outfit. So, I'm taking some of my fancy jewelry with me. Pearls, gemstones, silver, gold. Perfect.
Ha! I almost forgot. We might need some cash there. And I got the best place to hide my money. There, I think I'm all packed.
Yeah, me too. Let's hope I can close this. Phew.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Hey!
What about us?
Okay, worry not. We'll get to it. If the airlines charge you extra for these teeny tiny bags, I'm reporting them. Well, the luggage may be small, but saving space is still important. These should be enough for the trip. Can't have you go on vacation without your mic. There might be a few demons to hunt there as well. You never know. Being prepared for everything is important. So, one can say this hair comb is multi-purpose. Your luggage is ready.
Wow! It's not heavy at all! I'll get ready!
So beautiful! Can I borrow that?
Nope! Sorry! Ugh! My stomach!
What? Oh, I see. Well, this reminds me to pack some toilet paper while she uses the bathroom. Mini toilet paper rolls are so fun to make. All done. I made a bunch. You never know how many you might need. Vacations are tricky like that. Get my point? I think she needs one right now. Catch!
Gotta go!
Oopsie!
That was intense.
How to say this?
What?
Your makeup is all gone! But don't worry, girl. I got you covered. We'll take care of that in no time. I'm making you a colorful eyeshadow palette. Here it is. You want to use it now?
This look suits me well, huh?
Ha ha ha! This is unacceptable! Your hair! When was the last time you took a shower, man? I'm packing your nourishing shampoo! I suggest you immediately use it. Hang on, it's almost done. And hey, since it's a men's product, it's shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, and a shaving cream all at once. Haha! I hear you! I'm back! And my hair is all fresh and clean.
Wow!
Guess our suitcases are ready too?
That's right!
It's sea, sun, and fun time!
Thankfully, I packed my noise-canceling headphones as well.
Do you know our gate number?
I don't know! Wait! The numbers are written there! Follow me!
Our flight can't be here.
Whoa! So many flights! How do we find ours?
Easy! There's an app for everything. Hello!
Hi! Who goes first? You first, you after her. Sure thing! Oh no! What are we going to do? It's overweight. Let's check yours.
Oh man, I hope I packed light.
Come on! We don't have all day!
Do.
I'm gonna take a closer look. You cheating! I won't allow this! Sorry about that.
My bad. Guess I have to rearrange some things.
How did those get in there?
What a twist!
I can't go anywhere without my entire hat collection. Wizard hat? Come on, it's a must. Pink pony with a little bit of Barbie.
Jinu, you only need one. Quickly get rid of the rest.
Fine, but I'll come back for them. Let's see yours now.
See? No surprises in my bag.
Ha! How? You sure about that?
But I can still fix this overweight problem. I'll just wear everything. Layers are good. Layers are the answer. I'm gonna be so hot during the flight. But it is what must be done.
You're a genius! I'll do the same! I am already sweating. One more coat and my neckties.
Okay, we're ready to go. Wow, lucky you. Have fun.
And here is our ticket.
Aw, adorable. You may go. Yay!
Sorry, excuse me. Sorry about that. Maybe you can sit somewhere else.
But it's too comfy here.
Hey, you're snoring! Thankfully, I packed my noise-canceling headphones as well. Oh, man.
Why would the sun do this to me? It burned my skin to a crisp. It hurts. Wow, yum. Don't miss my wrists, Mom.
You got it. Huh? What's this?
Ooh.
Just more garbage.
Garbage?
Actually, it's not garbage at all. The watermelon suits burns. Doesn't that feel nice?
So much better. Thanks, Mom.
Sure. Enjoy.
Ugh, these bugs are so annoying. Ugh, stop! Mom!
It's okay, dear.
What do I do now? Mom!
What?
These bugs are driving me nuts!
Just chase them down with this.
Really?
It'll be fun.
Ha! I'm gonna getcha! Ha! Oops, my bad.
I didn't love that. Where's that mosquito hunter's info? I'm fixing this once and for all. Did somebody need a mosquito killer? Because I'm armed and ready.
Good, because they're everywhere!
Say no more.
Whoa!
That's right.
Ew!
This guy's not going anywhere. I promise.
My hero!
It's what I do. What? Oh, okay. Here you go. Awesome. Pleasure's all mine. Now that they're gone, you can go ahead and fly. Go on.
Woo! Thanks for setting me free, mister!
Wanna shop?
What? Who cares?
Huh?
Hey, I have an idea! Let's go chop some wood! Come on! This looks like a good spot. Ah, so relaxing. Ugh, get out of here! Huh? Ow, what was that? Stupid mosquitoes! Just let me sunbathe in peace! Oh, yeah. Ah! They're trying to eat me alive!
Gina? What's going on? Are the mosquitoes bothering you again?
They bit me all over, see? I'm like a pepperoni pizza!
Oh. Ugh.
Just leave us alone!
You heard her. Go away. I got you! Or did I? I'm gonna get you one day. And this is how I'm gonna do it. Starting with a glue gun. Fill in your square shape with lines, going all horizontally. Then make more lines going the other way. Looking very good so far. Now attach 2 of them to a stick. Use more glue to hold it all together. All done. Here you go, honey.
Really? This is gonna work? Only one way to find out! Did I get it?
Did you?
No, it got away!
Aw, it's okay. I'll show you. Ha! Got it. Boom, baby! See? Easy.
Oh, I'm ready now. Bring it on! Fresh juice. Ah, so refreshing. But it's going right through me. Someone's in here? Hello?
Yeah, just crunch the numbers. Hold on. Ooh, yeah. Nice. I had way too many tacos last night. Phew.
Hurry up! What's he doing in there? Whoa! Maybe I don't want to go in. That was so bad! But I still have to pee!
If it's not 5 stars, it's not worth your time.
Mommy, I need you!
Huh? Ciao. Here we go. What now?
I need to pee!
Go pee.
No! Dad tore it up in there!
He's good at that. Wait, I have an idea. Just watch. It's like a real toilet. Give it a whirl.
No way!
See?
Okay. Okay.
Hold on. Now you have some privacy. Ready?
Yes!
See you in a little while. Here you go. Sweet relief. Anyway, my turn. What did he do in here? Oh my goodness. What did I just witness? We have to move. Ah.
Ah, nice. Uh-oh, I really have to pee, Mom.
In there, go ahead.
Okay. Ugh, this thing's disgusting! No way! Mom!
What now? What is it, honey? Oh, that's pretty awful. I know. Come with me. Just squat down here and go.
I don't think I can.
I know what you can do.
Mom!
They're just my tights. They can serve as a seat protector. See, it fits just perfectly. Go ahead.
Okay. Whoa! I don't feel a thing!
Ah, nature. Ready to put some of these hacks to good use? Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.